Sorry. So the seats were built into the side of the hill.
But is this like the tower where they, you know?
I think no, that's Middle Ages.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, that's not the original. But part of that over there is part of the original. See over there?
What's that?
See those remnants over there? That's part of the foundation. See the middle part there called the spina? That was the middle of the track, and they would just race around like that. And this could seat 105,000 people. About the size of a modern football stadium.
Well, doesn't it go from there
all the way down to see where that building is?
More than one football stadium. It's like three.
So,
I mean, the stadium or the actual?
The actual number of people that could be sit, about 105,000 people.
Oh yeah. And what's this we're looking at up here?
That's the Emperor's Palace. That's the Palatine Hill. We were just up there yesterday.
It's just from a different angle.
Yeah. So they would have these metal dolphins on a pole, and every time the chariots would make one circuit, they would push one of the dolphins down, and there were like 3 more to go. You know, and that's how they marked the number of laps. These prancing dolphins.
Yeah, I remember that. That was part of the. Who was that Charlton Heston?
Ben-Hur. Remember that? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So this is where Ben-Hur was.
Aha.
And over there is the Palatine Hill. See that top there? That's the museum.
Okay. I gotta watch these old movies now. It's like, oh, okay, now I get the reference.
I've never seen any of them.
Some classics. Got the guys over there, soldiers.
Yeah. So you want to go down and take a lap around the track?
Would be a great place to run.
They do. The joggers run here.
There's a guy right there.
Yeah.
It looks like they have a market here.
You know, it's an absolute shame that it was wrecked, you know?
I know.
Because it would have been such a great municipal asset.
No. Did you hear what I said?
What?
I think there's a market, because look how what's like worn away, where there's no grass.
That's where the track was.
But I'm saying, it would have grown grass. If this part grown grass, right?
Because people still run there. They still use it as a
Why
promenade.
is there a perfect square? I think that there's a market.
I don't know. Maybe that's a part of the sewage system or something. I don't know. You know, grass does not grow over the septic tank, you know? Or grass grows greener over the septic tank.
Really? Oh, definitely. You can always tell where your septic system is in your backyard. They're going to sit up to get their pictures taken. Work for the day.
They're marching in precision, too.
Here?
Yeah.
They should put games like that on. You know, like Excalibur.
Yeah.
You know, like the jousting.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have medieval times.
Yeah.
If I was the mayor of the Rome and I had a couple $1 billion to spare, I would rebuild this place. And I would have races and recreations just like in ancient Rome. And then I would charge people to the nose. And then I would use the money for the city. There's a certain contingent of people who don't want to ruin the old archaeological state, you know?
There's nothing really archaeological here other than space.
Yeah. All this stone was carted away and used to build churches.
There's probably a center area here where all the chariots would come up and do a pit stop.
Real change.
Yeah.
And this is
Fuel.
this is where the Christians were martyred. This is the spot.
What was that?
This is the spot where the Christians were martyred. This it wasn't at the Colosseum. It was here.
It's here.
Yeah, right here.
The lions and stuff?
Yeah, with everything.
Really?
You know,
In which way though?
I don't know how they killed them. You know.
Was there an altar that they did a certain way? Just walk down, bro.
Oh, walk down there. There you go. Chariot City. And there the people would sit watching you. And there was a wall in the middle. Now, at either end of the mall was an obelisk from Egypt. And those are the obelisks we saw in the middle of St. Peter's Square. Remember that? Mm-hmm. And then in, what's that, the name of that other square? Shoot.
Okay.
It'll come to me. Anyway, they carted him out of here and put him in.
But would that mark the ends?
Yes, so it marked the ends
of the track.
Yeah.
And I'm sure it was on some type of huge pedestal.
Right, and the emperor had a structure that came out and sat over top. See where that path goes up there in the distance in the middle part on the other side? The emperor had a structure that came out over the stands so that he could come from just walk from the palace to the stadium.
And this would be the Ben-Hur.
Yeah.
Just gotta go rent that.
The Circus Maximus. The greatest circus.
Maximus.
The greatest.
Maximo. Let's walk around. Huh?
Okay.
Are we leaving to go in a certain direction?
We're heading to go that way. So might as well.
Let's walk down the center. Huh?
Palatine Hill, right there.